Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. Now I made my way over to the party section because I haven't been to this area in a while, and I know the shelves look a little bit empty, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I can find. Come with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, what I will say is that I notice a lot of baking tools and accessories. Now, what I did notice is that a little while back, they did come out with those cake boards, and that is a great price. You're not going to find them any cheaper anywhere else. If you can find them, that's pretty awesome. I absolutely love these containers right here. You can do so much with them. Now, I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.